Easy baking recipes. There's nothing better than a house that smells like cake. Wouldn't you agree? Baking is sort of magic, the slow process of stirring the batter, the kitchen becoming saturated with enticing whiffs of chocolate and cinnamon, watching the dough rise in the oven and finally feeling content with the gorgeous outcome. For bakers, baking is more than a means to an end, it's a way of life. You start off with butter and eggs, and end up with a batch of heavenly brownies. Oh MasterChef, you make it look too easy. Cream the butter, sift the flour and voila! A beautifully baked cake is ready. Well, we've tried it, and it doesn't always work like that. Because when it comes to baking, you have to play by the rules. As Leiko Bars rightly puts it, when cooking, go by your own taste. When baking, follow directions. From flaky pie crusts, fudgy brownies, and chewy cookies, we've rounded up essential tips every baker should adopt before firing up the oven. So toss the boxed cake mixes to the side and conquer your fear of homemade cakes, pies and more.